This is an AI agent I built 3 hours ago. I wrote one prompt, I closed the tab. I went to lunch. While I was eating, it ran itself. Fetched 10 hacker news stories, filtered them, summarized them, sent me the digest. I didn't do anything. Every AI tool I have used in the last 2 years stops working the moment I close the conversation. This one does not. Let me show you why that changes things. Here's the pattern. You open ChatGPT, you describe what you want, it writes a beautiful plan. You copy the plan somewhere else. You build it yourself. Then, you try Cursor, you try Manus, you try Claude Code. Same story every time. The AI help you think. The AI help you write. But the moment you close the window, the work stops. And the automation you described never actually run. There is a category of tools that every AI product has been circling for 2 years. A product that builds what you describe, connects to your real account, and keeps running once the conversation ends. CREAO is the first one I have tested that does all 3. This video is sponsored by CREAO, and I'm going to show you what it does, where it wins, and where it falls short. Let me show you the build that I just ran. No edits, no setup, no configuration. One prompt, 5 steps, a public API, a Gmail integration, a schedule. Let me press enter. First step, it does restate the plan. Top 10 stories, filter for AI and developer topics, summarize, email, hourly schedule. Confirmed, now it writes the code. This is the part that separates CREAO from every other agent I have tested. It's not routing my request to a third-party workflow tool. It's writing the actual code that will execute. And the code runs inside CREAO, not on my machine, not in a sandbox that disappears. Watch what happens next. This is the moment every other tool breaks down. It runs the code live, right here in the interface. 9 of the 10 stories matched. It wrote summaries for each one. Now it needs to send the email. CREAO handles the OAuth flow for me. I click my Google account, grant permissions, and the connection is saved. I will never do this step again. Email delivered, formatted, every story linked. And one detail that surprised me, it also built a dashboard. I did not ask for the dashboard. CREAO built it because it understands I would want to see the data. 1 prompt, 2 deliverables, both persistent. Building one agent is impressive. Building an agent that gets reused is the real value. This is where CREAO gets interesting. Every agent you build becomes part of a larger system. CREAO calls this agent brain. There is a memory layer that remembers your preferences, a skills library with built-in capabilities, a connector library for integrations, and a widget system for building dashboards. Skills is where the platform compounds over time. There are 27 built-in skills out of the box: financial statement analysis, logo design, content drafting. You can add more by including specific instructions within your prompt. Essentially, you just need to explicitly ask the agent to extract and store those skills while describing the task. By doing this, the agent will automatically generate the corresponding skill and save it to your skills library while processing the task, making it easy to call upon in the future. Every skill you add becomes available to every agent you build after that. The agent itself persists. I can run it manually, I can edit the schedule, I can chain another step onto it. Send me a Slack message when a story scores over 500 upvotes. I can spin off a new agent that starts from this one's logic. Every agent becomes a building block. I want to put this in context. There are 3 other tools every developer in this audience has tested. Let me tell you where each one wins and where each one leaves a gap CREAO fills. Manus is the most impressive agent I have used in a sandbox environment. It can plan, it can execute, it can use a browser. But every Manus task starts from zero. When the session ends, the work is gone. There is no scheduled rerun. There is no persistent app. Manus is a brilliant on-demand worker. CREAO is the one that stays on when the worker logs off. OpenClaw is an open source, a huge user base, runs tasks through messaging apps. I respect what they built. Same constraint as Manus. Every task is a fresh start. You cannot schedule it. You cannot say, run this every Monday. When the chest closes, the capability closes with it. And N8N is where I expected CREAO to get compared, and it is the least accurate comparison. N8N is visual workflow automation. Drag nodes, wire them up, deploy. It's powerful if you already know what you want to build. It cannot interrupt a prompt. It cannot write code for you. You build it node by node. CREAO sits in a different category. You describe, it builds. Then it runs on N8N style infrastructure underneath. Every tool in the agent space is missing one column. CREAO is the first one I have tested that fills all 5. This is the part where every sponsor asks me to cut. I don't cut it. First, credits burn faster than you think on the free tier. Building the agent digest, running it twice, and testing the dashboard burns a visible chunks of my starter credits. If you plan to use this for multiple agents, you are on the $20 plan within the first week. Second, this is not an enterprise tool yet. No team workspace controls I could find. No role-based permissions. If you are building something for a company with compliance requirement, this is not the product. This product is for anti-hacker, solo operator, and developers who want automation without the infrastructure. If you ever describe an automation in a chat window, seeing AI produce a beautiful plan, and realize that you still have to build the automation yourself, this is for you. If you ever spent one afternoon wiring up N8N nodes to do something that you could describe in one sentence, this is for you. If you ever wanted an AI agent that keeps running after you close the laptop, this is the first tool I have tested that genuinely does that. The agent from the start of this video is still running. I will run it again in 32 minutes. It will run at midnight. It will run tomorrow morning while I sleep. I built it once, it persists. This is a shift that matters. For 2 years, we have had AI help us think. CREAO is the first tool I tested that keeps working when we stop thinking. If you want to try this, the link in the description. Use my promo code for discount on the pro. If this changed how you think about the agent, like this video. I would really appreciate that. And if I forgot something, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to know what I'm going to build with this next, subscribe. I'm going to put it into my workflow and I will report back. What would be the first automation you would build if you can only describe it once? Drop it below.